Hello, kindergartners. Here is our solve and share for lesson 4-1. Today we're going to review something that we've already practiced, but we're going to compare groups to 10. So we've already kind of worked on comparing groups to 5. Today our groups are going to be a little bigger. So let's start with our solve and share. Here is what it says. Emily visits a chicken farm. She sees a group of black chicks and a group of yellow chicks. Does Emily see more black or yellow chicks? How do you know? Now, there's a few ways that you could figure this problem out. Some of you might be able just to look at the two different groups of chicks and be able to tell right away which group has more. And that's great if you can do that. That's something that you're good at. Some of us might want to count and write how many. Some of us might want to use our comparing 1 to 1. That's what I'm going to do today because that's what your lesson is going to focus on, is comparing 1 to 1. Remember, when we compare 1 to 1, we match up, drawing one line to one object and one line to another. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Matching up 1 to 1. So looking at this, now that I've matched up 1 to 1, which group do you think has more? Yeah, the yellow chicks, because I can tell there's a yellow chick left out without a match. I want you now to show me in your workbook. I want you to take out your pencil and I want you to either count and write how many so you can look at those two numbers and compare, or I want you to match up 1 to 1 and compare that way. Which group of chicks has more? We've now talked about it. It's the yellow group, but I want you to practice either counting and writing how many and comparing your numbers or matching 1 to 1. Bye, friends.